So I think this one. Yeah, you can. You can. So my question.
I think everybody's familiar now with the Strait of Hormuz, where the shutdown of just that critical channel has reduced the oil supplies by about 20% globally and is affecting oil prices everywhere. Now, that is because of somebody can actually just shut it off and everybody suffers. And that can also be said about for a country. What happens today or tomorrow when an allied country says, do no longer do business with this country, and then you have a majority of your data with them? What happens? You then lose access to that. By having your data locally hosted in Nigeria, what we then see is companies can actually have low latency, so no longer have to, want to access a particular cloud server. You have to wait for multiple connections to get to San Francisco, but you can actually do that in Nigeria, reducing the redundancies, the points of failures, and also the time it takes to actually, access that product, which is what we call latency in our industry. We have the most subsea cables currently in West Africa coast. By the way, also all 8 of them also land at Rack Center. It's also conceived as the economic hub, the digital hub across the region. So Lagos has a significant part to play because you have the most connections and you have the economy to actually power some of these digital transformations that we are seeing.
Let me tell you why this story is very important. There's a benefit for the local businesses in Nigeria as data centers are rising up. One is costs. It's obviously going to be cheaper for you to domicile your data in Nigeria than to do it in Lithuania, because over there it has to be protected, all of those things. The mere fact that it's far away from you, you need to pay more to protect it than when it's at home. When it's at home, you now pay in Naira to keep your data safe rather than paying in dollars. There's also a skill gap in Nigeria. One of the reasons why we have skill gap in Nigeria is the Japa syndrome. People are running away with their skills, with the intelligence, with the knowledge they have. People are leaving the country.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download MetroTV Extend sekarang.